Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so me in a Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth, very close to Miguel's Cafe, right in front of the Courts area, very close to KFC also. So if you're just stopping by, guys, yeah man, I always give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost. So this channel is all about touring different places in Jamaica. Yeah man, but you know I'm in St. Elizabeth today, giving a tour to Aguana, Santa Cruz area. When I make a left turn, we'll take you all to the States area side. You know, a lot of past students leave from States also. Most of them long to see them road there because a lot of persons overseas want to see them old school road and also them old school. But today I will not take you over the school today because school in progress, and so just enjoy the ride. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So on your left you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church, which is in Santa Cruz, and also on your right you have the St. Elizabeth Technical High School. So we are on Main Street in Santa Cruz, and if you want your gas you can make a left turn and get your gas. I'm gonna make a left turn, we'll take you all to Horizon Park. You know Horizon Park, nice little scheme, so you all can take a view with me. So when you're in Horizon Park, you can get a nice view over in the Park Mountain area. So guys, so remember, if I see any lot for sale, I will let you all know, but I think most of the lot in Horizon Park are sold out. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Big up yourself, Lazarus. You might know say Lazarus make them things that happen, them beautiful place here. Big up yourself, all the way past and gone, big up yourself. Look at the beauty in Santa Cruz, guys. One love, one heart. People that we are watch, subscribers, loyal fans them. So this channel is all about positive vibes in Jamaica. And right there you have a hydrant, so for once you see a hydrant, most likely you will have water in that area. Some of the time it's not 100% working. So when you're in Horizon Park, it's about Roughly 4 minutes drive to Santa Cruz town, guys. So you can leave your comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Road condition is not 100%, as you can see. That's 100% road condition. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So very close by scheme would be Beagles Drive. So yes guys, I see right here for sale. Contact Marcia. The number is 440 5797, and the next number is 876-929-2283. That is the Victoria Mutual Property Service. As you see, it is for sale, so you can contact the number. As you can see, the area also. So keep on watching, guys. Like a lot of water is in this area. As you can see, a lot of water on the road surface. So I will take you all back to the main road, which will take us to Santa Cruz town and also to Goshen side. St. Elizabeth is a very, very big parish. I don't know when I can done tour St. Elizabeth. So many areas to go. Also, when you're in this area in Horizon Park, you can get a nice view of St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Very, very nice view, guys. Very, very nice view. So just look at the positive side on this channel. As I said, know your beautiful Jamaica, the island you love. Yeah, man. So just know Jamaica, my people. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So please remember to leave your comment and also like up the video, free of cost. One love and one heart again. My beautiful people, thanks a lot and I really appreciate the support.